God! This right here is Pantherian, formerly known as Intimidator 305 at King's Dominion. This ride is known for causing people to black out, ladies and gentlemen. It is known as the most intense coaster in the world. They had to modify the track. They had to add trims to slow this thing down. And they still have to slow it down on the second hill behind me. Today, we are gonna be riding it 5 times to see if it is really as intense as people say and if it really makes you black out. This is gonna be a good one. So stay tuned, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go ride this thing. Whew. So, you see that blue thing right there, folks? That is a piece of the wheel already, and that's because the ride is going so fast that the wheels shred over time. If you know anything about roller coasters, you know that's not supposed to happen. They had to install water lines that go through and spray water on the wheels so they don't overheat. They go through wheels like hotcakes, man. Unbelievable. I mean, look at this thing go. Alrighty, first ride, here we go. Back row. How intense is it gonna be? Oh, hold on, man, get out of here. Oh! She's on my heart. Oh, yeah. Oh, no. I just actually oh my gosh. What just happened? I just died. My dead ass just died. Oh my gosh! I just died. I'm back alive. Oh my gosh! We just got off of ride number 1. We started back row, dude. Oh my gosh! I'm not gonna lie. You definitely gray out. I haven't fully blacked out yet. We got 4 more rides to go. We'll see. Alrighty, second ride on Pantherian. Front row this time. Here we go. Oh yeah, that's a good. Oh my gosh, that's good. Oh my gosh. Oh! Woo! Yeah, that way. Yeah. Oh! Woo! Oh my gosh. And we're done. Oh my gosh, I grayed out. Second ride done on this beast, bro. This thing is actually so intense. Oh my gosh. Second time, we just did front row. I didn't black out again, but I definitely grayed out. It wasn't as intense as the first ride. So I'm gonna go middle this time and see what that's like. Alrighty, third time. Middle row this time. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Totally. Oh, here we go. Woo! Holy! Oh my gosh! Oh! That trim hits hard in the middle. Similar to front row intensity wise, but definitely rattly. Weird roughness. Oh my gosh, guys. Holy cow. Third ride. That one wasn't that intense either. Well, it was very intense. I just didn't black out. I grayed out again, similar to the first ride, or similar to the front row ride, the second ride. That thing takes it out of you though. I will say the middle row is very weirdly rough. Okay, it's very rough. We're about to go to the 4th. Hopefully I'm getting closer to blacking out. But yeah, that was crazy. 4th ride. In between middle and back row, here we go. Hopefully this is more intense. Wow, that's a good job. Oh! Oh! Oh, yeah, that's better. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Woo, I'm back, I'm awake. Oh, I'm out. Oh, no. Oh! Oh my god. Oh! That was the most intense one so far. Oh my gosh. That one I think I genuinely blacked out. Oh my gosh. Okay, we just did the 4th ride. And we did this one in between middle and back row, and let me tell you, that was the best one so far. I blacked out, almost blacked out. That was total gray out, blackout maybe, but dude, that was incredible. I didn't have my vision until like, I could feel the second airtime hill or the first airtime hill. I felt it, and then I woke up right after that. That was crazy. That was definitely the most intense so far. We're about to go do number 5. This one's gotta be the most intense, right? I'm so sweaty, like haven't had water at all. Like this is the one. Alrighty, 5th and final ride. We're just in between the front and middle row, and this is the one I'm gonna black out. I'm gonna hold my breath here. That's the strat. Here we go. Oh my gosh, I'm awake, I'm awake, I'm awake. Oh! Oh my gosh. Woo! Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Whoa! Oh man, I didn't black out fully again that time. It smelled terrible too. Otherwise, it was a good one. Alrighty, we just did ride number 5. We did it in between the front row and the middle row. And I'll say that one wasn't that great either. I blacked out a little more, but not anything crazy. That thing is intense though. I mean, I don't know. I'll give you my verdict in a second, but that is crazy. Alrighty, so to answer the question, is Pantherian, formerly known as Intimidator 305, the most intense coaster in the world? I can honestly say as a package, yes, but there's some more intense elements such as like the Cobra roll and Alpengeist, which I feel like is more intense, but that first turn after the drop is unbelievable. First ride was probably the second most intense. The second ride was the least intense. The third ride was in between, and the fourth ride, oh my gosh, that lived up to the name of blacking out. And then the 5th ride, once again, middle, not great, but a great ride. Honestly, if you haven't been here, you need to come ride this thing just for yourself so you can experience it. Odds are you'll probably black out, especially on a day like today when it's 100 degrees, haven't had anything to drink. I'm gonna go get something to drink now. I appreciate y'all watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know in the comments what I should ride next, what video I should film next. I'll see y'all later. Peace.